All right, we're back. We're back. We're back. All right, let's get some music. Well, love me still, monkey go to hell. Me feeling worthless. Broken, you need a surgeon. Yeah. One quick update, guys. I'm giving up on tomato. So it's just me and my freaking whatever you call it. Gold calls till the end of time. So I'm not gonna fudge and ask. Again was a bar to my heart. All girls are the same, same, same. Pills to the brain, brain, brain. Oh, oh. Hey, is this United Pressure Wash? Hey, it's Ishvar from IG Media. I'm actually a business owner. I was just calling to see if we could talk about a simple business partnership.
What was that again? I'm sorry.
Yeah, so I'm Ishvar. I'm a business owner, and I just wanted to see if we could talk for a simple business partnership for a minute.
Oh, you know what? Well, the boss is not here.
The boss isn't here. Is there a better time I should call back?
He will be back next week.
Call
I don't
back
know.
next week?
Yeah, this week.
Is this time fine?
What time? Yeah, fine. Well, I mean, we could leave here around 4:30, so we're about to leave.
Okay, yeah. So if I call sometime around like 4 or 4:30 next week, is that good?
Probably.
Okay, and what was your name?
My name is Juan.
Juan? Oh, thank you, Juan. I'm Ishvar.
Eduardo.
All right, and Eduardo.
But
Okay.
they call me Lalo.
Lalo? Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, cool. All
So, yeah.
right, thank
All
you.
right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. F is the I. Dun 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 bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum bada bum bada bum badum bum bum. Boss is back next week. All right. Call up the next fum. Fum lum. All right. Perfect.
791. The number you dialed is not in service.
Ah, sick. Worth it. Super worth it. Curtain, yeah.
And forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 3.
Fair enough.
Hello?
Hello, is this Shoreline?
Yes. This is Diego speaking.
Hey Diego, my name's Ishvar. I'm actually another business owner. I was just calling to see if we could talk about a potential business partnership for a minute.
Right now is not a good time. I got a little side gig for carpet cleaning for this church in San Fran. So, honestly, tomorrow would be a better time to talk.
Okay. Is like about this time good for you?
Yeah. So look, this is what I like in the world. I like 100% honesty.
Yep.
So if you're actually a business owner and you're looking to work side by side in the LA area, then I'm more than happy to talk with you. But if you're just trying to, do some like Google marketing or something like that, I'm just not interested, with all due respect.
Okay, I appreciate that. So if I'm also being 100% honest, I own a marketing company myself, and I don't do
How old
good.
are you?
I'm 17.
17. And where are you located?
I'm located in Ohio right now.
Okay. All right. Well, do you have an Instagram?
I do have an Instagram. I don't use it that much, but we can text through there or this number if you'd want to talk in the future.
Yeah, send me a message through Instagram. My Instagram is Shoreline Pressure Washing. It's pretty easy. You'll see it.
Okay, I'll send you a message through there and we can get in contact. Is it all right if I still give you a call tomorrow?
Yeah, shoot me a call tomorrow like 4 p.m., 5 p.m.
Alrighty, cool. I'll shoot you one then. I appreciate the honesty up front.
No problem, man. I appreciate you reflecting that because you know what I mean. It's better just to do it like that.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%. Alrighty, you have a good one. Bye bye. All right. All right. Call later. Contact later. Um, call tomorrow, 11:20, 5 p.m. I'll say Diego. Also, it gets better with time. Everyone should just leave me alone. On today, and alone. Nails on my arm, freezing all alone. Can't tell what's real.
Hi, you reached Ken, owner of Pressure Washing from this.
Da 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 da. Run my dreams. The girl from my dreams. Sitting right next to me, next to me. Sitting right next to me, next to me. Girl from my dreams. Next to me, next to me. If I'm being honest, lately on
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're...
the minus, let's put it behind. Gonna know you love me, scream your name across the galaxy. You love me, scream your name across the galaxy, but you don't.
Thank you for calling the South Bay Christmas Lighting. I'm unable to come to the phone right now. If you leave your name and number and a short description.
When you're with me, everything.
Call will be recorded for quality assurance. Thank you for calling React. Rebecca speaking.
Gatekeeper, I'm not gonna mess with that. Next to me. You love me, scream your name across the galaxy.
leave your message for. Thank you for calling COVID pressure washing. We missed your call.
Hello, you've reached Jerv with Jerv's Pressure Wash. Leave a message. We'll get back to you right away.
Oh, oh, damn, I am. Hey, this is Ishvar. I'm actually another business owner. I was just calling to see if you guys would be able to chat for just a minute on a business partnership.
Oh, let me see quick. I have some kind of bad reception here.
Oh yeah.
What was your name, boss?
Hey, I'm Ishvar. So full transparency, I'm not located in California. But I am a business owner, and what I do is I simply just work with a couple pressure washers across California and Ohio, since I'm also located in Ohio. And what I do is I get them a couple extra pressure washing jobs a month, obviously, and it's on a no risk basis. It's very low effort on your end. So I was just wondering if we could potentially talk about that for a minute, see if that might be able to help you.
Yeah, you know what? We do actually the same thing.
Oh, you guys do the same thing?
Yeah, man. Well, we've got our own, we've got our location here with our equipment and our staff. But we sub out work in different states. Sometimes I get a job in Arizona. Got my buddy Abraham out there who's also got another branch of power, like his own power washing company out there, and he'll go over there and take care of the customers, and we'll get a percentage.
Oh, nice. Okay. So
So it's kind of the same thing you're doing, right? You have a customer lined up, and then you send us out there with already. Is it already sold or is it just a lead?
So it'd be like a lead. So from what I'm hearing, it would be a little bit different from what you guys are doing. So what we did is we recently it's just I'm not a big business, all right, just to clarify. So it's me and my partner, I've been working for him a little bit, and he's an ad specialist. So what we do is we would run ads on your end, and then once we run ads for you, we'd take those leads, we'd qualify them, and we'd get some info about them, like their phone number, when the best time to contact them is, and the city that they're in. Obviously, for you, it's probably going to be Los Angeles, right? And basically, we send that lead to you so you can go out, give them a quote, and hopefully close the job.
Okay. So basically, we're already doing that for ourselves.
Oh, nice. What are you guys doing at the moment?
So I'm almost the same as you. So my partner is the marketing guy. He's doing all the advertisement, pay per clicks, website, social media, all that. And then we get the leads coming in. I qualify them, I sell them, and then move on to the next one
Mm-hmm.
after we get the job done, of course. And so we're doing that basically.
Okay, nice, nice.
The only difference is you guys would be doing more marketing and basically competing with our marketing. I mean, it depends on how good of a marketing you do. Because my boss puts in like, or my partner puts in like 2,500 a month into it.
Okay. Yeah, so just to clarify a couple of things, right? I absolutely agree with you. Your guy is definitely doing a very good job because if he's your partner, he's probably you probably trust him a lot, and I can guarantee he's doing a good job if he's putting that much money into it. But
Yeah.
we would not be competing with you. So what we'd actually be doing is similar to what your partner is doing. We'd be running ads from your account, right? So it would look like it honestly just be like amplifying the ads that you're already running, or kind of just boosting the amount of results that we can see from them, right? And as well as that, could you kind of like clue me into what exactly your partner's doing? I know you said he was doing like some pay per click and a website. Like what exactly is he doing?
SEOs, what are those things called, dude? I'm not the marketeer guy, and my partner doesn't like taking cold calls or business development calls because he's really busy.
Mm-hmm.
But basically, they create blogs. They do Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing. They do the website, Google page. We pay per click, like I said. So there's a bunch of different marketing we already do.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, we're actually focused on in-house, like rehashing. So I've been doing a lot of calls recently, But other than that, brother, I actually had a guy from Chicago call me, and I told him, man, if you can get leads, I can give you a percentage for them. Like, I don't know what you guys charge for your rates, but for example, if I got a customer in Ohio, I don't know, do you guys have power washing business out there?
Not me actually. What I do is I simply
Okay.
just work specifically with pressure washing businesses for them only.
Well, let's say you guys had one. All right. If I get a lead from a customer who's in Ohio, hopefully around your area, I would give you a call and be like, hey, I got this customer who's out there who's interested in getting the roof, walls, floors cleaned. I've already kind of got some pricing for him. Like I brought up some pricing, and he's already accepted it. But now it's time for you to go there and make sure that that pricing makes sense and that you guys can fulfill it. And then I would get like my 15% or 20% or whatever we agree on. So for $1,000 job, I'd make like 150 to $200. The guy's happy because to him that's $850 he never had. A new customer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that's a really good point that you bring up. So the way that we do our pricing is we do take a percentage, but obviously, right? I know your guy, you mentioned briefly that your marketing guy or your partner, he doesn't really like these type of cold calls and things like that. So what I'd like to specifically offer you guys is me and my partner will come in, we'll run your ads for free for 14 days. So you won't pay us, you'll only be paying for the actual ads themselves. And for 14 days, you'll be paying for the ads, you won't pay us. And if we can get you better results than you're currently getting, then we can look continue because obviously it's going to be benefiting both of us, right?
I'm be honest with you, decision because I have to talk with him first because he doesn't like anybody messing with our advertisements. He started a business doing this, and he's been doing this for a long time now. I think about 10 years now. So I don't think he's going to be interested in any boost of marketing, especially if there's any expenses involved. Um,
Yeah.
just being honest with you, I don't want to waste your time. But
Yeah, there
I
wouldn't
appreciate it, man. If anything, look, one of my buddies who works for me, he started up his own power washing business.
mm-hmm.
So one of my employees eventually got his own equipment, and he still works with us, but now he's got his own power washing business.
Mm-hmm.
I can refer you to him if you like. You want to take down his number?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Let me take out a pencil
That
really
way
quick.
you still have a chance, and maybe he's interested.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate that. It's very nice kind of you.
Yeah, no problem.
All
Yeah,
right.
this kid started working with me when he was 16. He's like 24 now. Got his
Wow.
own truck and trailer. Started his own business. Got his stuff together, but he still needs to grow his online presence.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand that.
All right.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm ready whenever you are for the number.
Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
His business contact, his phone. Like if I just send you his, that way you get all this information attached to it.
Oh yeah,
Um,
that'd work too.
okay, share contact, full name, um, cell phone, email, website, business website. Instagram, TikTok, Yelp, Google reviews. So he's connected everything.
Nice. Okay, yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be super nice if you could send me that.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Just not gonna send you his personal birthday and home address.
it.
You know.
I don't
All
think I
right.
need that much info.
It's all good, bro. What's your number?
My number is the same as this one. It's 440-656-7093.
440-656.
7093.
All right. 440-656-7093.
Yeah, you got it.
All right. Just sent it your way. His name is Diego right now. He's in Sacramento, but I think he's coming back on Friday. You can go ahead and give him a call today. Chris sent me your info. He said you're kind of a new power washing business and that you might be interested in boosting your ads. Yeah, I'll go ahead and give me your pitch and see what he thinks, man.
All right, so am I interested in boosting your app? Sorry, I was just writing down what you were saying. Alrighty, so
No problem.
yeah, he said he was Diego. Nice to meet you, Chris. But yeah, I'll give him I'll definitely get in contact with him, just to make sure that I just want to make sure I get your business name down correctly as well. You guys
Yeah,
are
my business is Power Washing Pros.
yeah, Power Watching Bros. I got it. That's what I want. I just want to make sure. Alrighty, I appreciate that though, Chris. I definitely do.
No problem.
Alrighty.
All right. Take care.
Alrighty. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye. Alright, that was good. That was good. We got a referral, bro. Hold up. Shoreline pressure. I just called these guys. Okay, nice. Good one. Fudge me, gang. Fudge me. Da 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 da. It's my year. Cody said no beer. This shit. Tell me you can stop it. Six shooter of the year.
Thank you for calling Crocodile Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing.
Sick. Open up my legs. I'm hungry. Count interrupting. Save for something. I'm a dirtbag riding junkie. Hey Nick, this is Ishvar. From IG Media. I'm actually a business owner. I was just wondering if we could talk for a minute on a business partnership.
I'm not interested, thanks though.
Alrighty, have a good one. F this guy. 14. You know what? I might try like a free trial offer. Hold up. Okay, I could try a free trial offer. Hold up.
Your call has been forwarded.
First watching guys, Brett.
Hey Brett, this is Ishvar. I'm actually a business owner, and I was just calling to see if you had a minute to talk about a business partnership.
I'm in my truck driving at the moment. It's probably not the best time.
Okay.
What do you mean business partnership?
Honestly, I was just looking to simply work with you, see if we could both help each other out. But obviously you're driving right now, so is it better if I just give you a call back in a little bit?
Well, what are you like a window washer looking to like refer business back and forth or what?
Not exactly. So, I personally, I own a company, and what I do is I work with a couple pressure washers in California. And what I do is I just get them a couple extra jobs a month. So I don't do the pressure washer myself, but I work with you
Gotcha.
guys to get you guys a couple extra jobs a month, right? It's obviously on a low, no risk basis, and it's very low effort on your end. So I was just wondering to see if potentially getting more jobs for basically no risk and for free would be a little bit helpful for you.
If you have a job that you want to turn over to us, we'll give you, give you 10% of whatever the job is, as long as we bid it and get it. That's about all we probably be willing to do.
Okay, yeah, so it's a little bit different. What we would do is we've been working with a lot of pressure washers, and what we do is we run ads on their behalf, and then we get them the leads, we qualify them, and we send all their info to you with their city, the best time to call them, and their phone number, so
Yeah,
that
I'm probably interested in that. I apologize.
have you kind of tried it in the past, just hasn't worked out, or what's up with it?
No, I mean, we run our own ads, so
Oh,
we have
nice.
a team that we're happy with. So
Oh, nice. Are you guys doing like in-house, or do you guys have another team doing it?
yeah, I'm an SEO company.
Oh, SEO company. Okay. So, we're actually not.
So we're happy with our team, and we're kind of capped out on marketing. So that's why I say if there's any referrals, we can give referrals based on jobs, but we're not doing any more ad budget or anything. So
Okay, yeah. So, let me just give you a little perspective. What I want to offer you is because obviously I get where you're coming from as well. You don't want to pour even more money in advertising, right? So I don't even want you guys to pay me at all. All I'm gonna ask from you guys is if we're gonna do it completely for free for 14 days, and we're gonna show you guys we can get you results. And then after that point, if you decide, hey, I like the results that we've gotten, we can move forward. But if you guys are like, you know what, I don't like where this is going, then we can stop, right? But I at least want to make sure I can give you guys a chance to see.
how would you be able to track all that? You'd be giving me the leads personally.
Yeah, so what we'd be doing is so you can expect a ad budget of around $300 within those 14 days to be totally upfront. And that's what you
Yeah,
okay. And you wouldn't be paying us, by the way. That would be going straight to Facebook. Uh, yeah, I mean, if you guys aren't cool with that, I'm not sure. That's kind of just the marketing budget, right? So,
It's all good. It's just, we already have our marketing budget. We're not doing anything else or trying out anybody at the moment because we're happy with the results that we're getting at the moment.
are you guys doing?
Something if we're going to do something in the future, you're more happy to send me your email and I can reach out to you.
Yeah,
And I'm good.
I can. Can I take it that you guys are doing SEO at the moment?
We're doing a lot of different things.
Are you guys doing like Google right now?
We're doing a lot of different things.
Okay, okay. So yeah, we specifically do Facebook. Um, yeah. So I mean, if you guys are all set, I totally understand. But I just want to give you guys the opportunity because I'm confident we can give you better results than what you're getting right now. But it all comes with an investment up front. And if that's something that you're not willing to do right now at the moment, I understand that.
Said if you want to send me your information when if we're ever going to make a change and we want to try Facebook, which we don't do Facebook, but if you want to try it, then I'd be more than happy to reach out.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll send you my email. Is this number fine?
Sure.
Cool.
I
Yeah.
believe so. 949-514-7749.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
All right. I'll send it here. Like I said, we'll do it completely free for the first 14 days, and after that, if you like the results, we can move forward. I'll send it to you there. I hope you have a good one.
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right. Bye bye. Fudge this, bruh, fudge this. Alright, let me text this guy. You gonna shoot that monkey at all?
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Ishvar.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Mm.
Please leave your message for 3233927391.
Mm.
You've reached Rubber Duck Pressure Wash Services. We are currently busy or away from the phone right now. Please leave your name and number, and we will reply. Calling GPS Pressure Washing. Sorry, I'm unable to get your call at this time.
Hey, this is Ishvar. I'm actually I'm another business owner, and I was just wondering if you had a minute to talk about business partnership.
Yeah, what's going on?
Cool, yeah. So I'm gonna be totally transparent with you. I'm not running a pressure washing business myself. I'm actually located in Ohio, and what I do is I actually help a couple pressure washers in California get a couple extra jobs a month, right? And um, basically what we do is just work with you guys, get you a couple extra jobs, send you guys the info. You guys can give them a call, things like that.
Yeah.
I just want to basically see if I might be able to help you. We all are also doing something recently where we want to do this for you for free for 14 days, just to show you we can actually get you guys the results because I understand your guys' position as well, getting a call from some guy on the phone. So yeah, we'd also like to do this for you for free for 14 days, and then if you guys see the results that you like, then we can move forward. What's that kind of sounding like right now?
I'm okay. I'm not interested. Thank you.
What's kind of the what's kind of like the hesitation from? Fudge me, I think I spoke too much. I spoke too much. I spoke too much. That's what the problem was. I spoke too much.
Hello?
Hey, this is Ishvar.
Who?
Um, this is Ishvar. I'm a business owner. I wanted to talk about a partnership for a minute. Do you have a minute?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so like I said, my name's Ishvar, and I work with a couple pressure washers in California, and we just get you guys a couple extra jobs a month for basically no risk and low effort on your end. So I wanted to see if that might be able to help you guys.
Yeah. Shit, I'm down for that. Can you
Yeah,
help me get some customers?
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So I'd love to show you how we do it as well, but if I'm being fully transparent up front, I'd actually like to do this for you for free for 14 days so that you can like see the results and then we can make sure that's actually a good fit, right? Because I want to make sure I can actually help you as well. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but like, how are you gonna do that?
Right,
Basically.
that's a good question. So what we're gonna do is, for the first 14 days, what's gonna happen is we're gonna run ads for you, and we're gonna spend about $300 on our ads. And what we're gonna do from there is we're gonna get you guys some results, and then if you guys like those results, then we can continue running those ads, sending you all the info so that you all you have to do is just call the lead. You know exactly when to call them and what city they're in. It's probably gonna be Los Angeles for you guys and then you can just call them and close a lead. That's it.
Yeah, but in all reality, I gotta put in my card ahead of time, huh?
Could you say that again?
I gotta pay for it or what? So if you have my phone number, then you can find me some leads.
So what we would do is we'd do ads for you. So
Yeah.
we would you would pay you would pay $300 to Facebook to run ads, and we would manage everything for you for free.
Yeah, no, I'm not good. I'm good. I can't afford to run ads on Facebook right now.
So
I'm good. I'm cool. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate your time, sir. Yeah, I don't want to get. I already tried that, man. I'm cool.
have you seen anyone else
I
doing
can't
ads
afford
on?
it right
Have you seen anyone else doing ads on Facebook before?
now. Yeah. Shit.
So do you think that it works for them, or why do you think that they're running those ads?
I mean, when it's affordable, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like I'm paying for leads. You know, I'm not paying. You know, I'm going through you to basically find somebody to um call up. You know, and, you know.
Yeah, so you wouldn't actually be paying us to do it. So how it would work is we would be running all and managing all those things for you for free. And if I have to give you the numbers, the average cost for a lead is between maybe like anywhere from $8 to $15. So let's say we get you 5 leads and it costs at maximum $75. If you can close one out of those 5 leads, you'll easily make more than $75. You'll make a couple $100, right? And we're not going to be charging you anything on that up front. For the first 14 days, we're going to get you lots of leads and we're not going to charge you anything for this because we want to show you that we can get you results. Only after those 14 days, if you think that, hey, I like what you guys are doing, I think the leads are good, or I like, we're making profit doing this, then we can continue. If not, no contracts, no fees, nothing like that. Does that make sense?
I just don't want to try it, man. I'm not even gonna get into that right now.
I mean,
I know how that works, man. I really know how that works. So I'm just trying my own strategy.
what if you
Maybe later on, when I have extra money, right now I can't even, I don't even want to get involved with that because then I know I'm gonna owe you guys money or something.
No, you're
Not
not. You're not going to owe us any money until you close jobs after 14 days. Before 14 days, you owe us $0. If you don't close any jobs, you don't pay us any money. You only pay us when you actually close a job and collect the money after 14 days. For the first 14 days, you do not pay us a single penny.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good. Cool.
Is it just a price? Is it a price thing or is it like more value?
Yeah, no, I just don't want to run no ads right now, Facebook ads or nothing. I don't want to.
Have you just had like a bad experience with them?
The same leads, you're gonna give it to the other guys too. So
Nope.
that's why I don't get involved with that.
Those leads are going to go exclusive.
Thank you.
The leads are going
Appreciate your
exclusive
time,
you, sir. The leads are going exclusively to you, sir. We're gonna run them off of your Facebook. Yo, this guy is sped, bro. This guy is sped. Oh my god. Yo, I have to do a better job educating, bro. Do a better job. Do a better job educating. All right. F this, bro. I'm done. My head is tired. Holy frick.